Maybe you have come across OpenClaw, a brilliant open-source AI agent you run yourself, and wondered if it could tutor your child. It is a fair question, so let us compare them honestly on the 5 things that actually matter for a child's learning. OpenClaw is genuinely excellent, flexible, model-agnostic, and it keeps your data on your own machine. But it is a general agent, not a tutoring product. To tutor well, you would build and maintain everything yourself. AI-tutors.me is the opposite, a managed service where the tutoring is tested, scaffolded, and looked after for you. Take the hardest part to build, Socratic discipline that holds. A prompt that says don't give the answer is a start, but a motivated teenager will find a way around it. AI-tutors.me enforces this in code and tests it across dozens of phrasings before every release. The hint ladder asks a question, names the concept, nudges the next step, and only then shows a worked twin, so the child finishes it themselves. And it is not one tutor, it is a whole faculty. Maths, English, biology, chemistry, physics, history, and geography. Every professor built the same Socratic way, with Mentor at the center. A DIY OpenClaw setup could approximate one subject with real effort. AI-tutors.me gives you the curriculum scaffolding for all of them, authored by educators and mapped to KS3. There is also a well-being layer that a DIY build rarely includes. Before each session, Mentor checks the energy. Green means push on. Amber means keep it light tonight. Red means rest, because a tired mind cannot learn well. Well-being comes before any worksheet. If you love building software, an OpenClaw tutor is a real and rewarding project. But if you would rather your evenings stage your own, we are now inviting the first 100 founding member families to a tutor that is ready the moment you connect.
Learn more at aitutors.me.